Hello, it's Mrs. J, and today we're going to use Autodesk Inventor Day 5, the rectangle pattern. In this video, we'll look at the rectangle pattern for a sketch and not a feature. So it'll be a little fun. There's your finished product. Okay, let's go to the home page. Let's make sure that we have a project folder called 25 Days, and it is active. We're going to create a new part. We're going to start a new sketch. We'll put it right down here. Pick this plane right here. See if I can get it. There you go. Okay, so you'll see top up here in the view cube if you're in the same orientation. Rectangle tool, up here top left, hit the origin. Click on the origin and drag to the right. We're going to make this 4, tab, 6. I'm hitting tab on my keyboard to toggle between the dimensions. 4, tab 6. Hit escape to get out of the rectangle tool. I'm going to move mine over so you can see it better. If you miss the dimensions, you can always use the dimension tool. If you already see a number, you just double click and then you can change the number. If you don't see a number, grab the dimension tool and add the dimension to it. Okay, finish your sketch. I'm going to hit the home so you can see it better. Hit extrude, and we'll extrude it 0.5 of an inch. I'm going to go ahead and add color so you can have contrast to view this video better. And I just left clicked across it and used this feature up here, adjust. All right. So we're going to add a hole. Not a hole, we're going to use a circle feature to make a hole, and we'll extrude that sketch. So start a new sketch and place it right on top, right in the center, right on top. It's going to rotate it in front of you. I'm going to bring it up closer. Okay. Use a circle tool and just drop it sort of in here. Anywhere, we'll fix it later. Drag it out a little bit and type 0.5. See how your mouse still has the circle tool, so you want to hit escape. Your mouse pointer changes. Be careful of that. Now we're just going to place this where we want it to be. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Use the dimension tool. I'm going to click on the center of the circle and then the bottom of the rectangle. Drag it to the left and type 0.5. Always drag it off your object so you don't confuse it with object lines. We're going to use the dimension tool again. I think I'm still in it. I'm going to hit the side of the object. I'm sorry, the center of the circle, then the side of the object. And I'm going to drag down off the object. So I'm just getting the space in between it, 0.5. Okay, so instead of finishing our sketch, which is what we normally do, let's try using the pattern tool with sketches instead of features. And we'll do that in a later video. So come up here to rectangular. And then we're going to, let me zoom in a little bit. Yeah. Okay. So it automatically defaults to geometry right here. You don't have to click it. It's already clicked. And you want to click your circle left. Click on your mouse. So you're holding your mouse, hit the left button. Click that. Now you have to pick your directions. Direction 1, click the arrow. And it's always going to show you, see how they're yellow? You have to use those, not the black ones here, not the black one at the top. To use the ones that got highlighted because it's closest to it. Move this over. Okay, so I'm in direction 1. I'm going to click on the side here. I think I lost it by moving it. Let me try it again. There you go. So see how my arrow is pointing down? I want my arrow to go the other way. I don't want to pattern it off the object there. If I did that, I'm going to see those dots coming down on the bottom there. I don't want that. So we're going to click the arrow up. Yours might have gone that way to begin with. And I'm going to type in 6. 6 looks like it fits perfectly. Then I'm going to go to direction 2. Click this arrow here. I'm going to click on the bottom and make sure it's going in the direction I want it to. You just physically look at it, visibly look at it and see how it goes. And then I want 4. Type in 4, hit OK. Okay, so now you have a bunch of sketches. You can close the sketch and you can extrude all of them. It's kind of fun to do this. Just click on each one. There you go. Almost as satisfying as bubble wrap, not quite. We're going to end up cutting these rather than extruding them. Come on. This one's hard because I got all that stuff in the way. Okay. Get them all. Yes, there's a way to do them all. But wasn't that satisfying? Okay, so a couple things you can do here is you can use your arrow and pull down, or you can just come over here and hit flipped or hit cut. Either way, as long as you dragged it out and you start to see pink, you know that it's good. Hit OK. All right, good job. Thanks for watching. You want to save your file as day 5. There you go. And in order to submit this file, you'll want to go to Solid Bodies and open it up. Right click on Solid 1 and then go to Properties and then go to Update. And you want to show all of this, Extrusion 1, Extrusion 2, Body Properties, and your finished product in your screenshot. So your screenshot runs from here to here. Thanks for watching. Have a great day today.